Medical devices are a multi-billion-dollar business worldwide. It may take cutting-edge technology, research, funding, and well-informed partners to bring your product to market. The Ontario government saw that the medical device industry was fragmented, so they created the Health Technology Exchange, a not-for-profit organization designed to help this industry move forward.
We examined the situation of this particular sector in Ontario and came to the conclusion that we had tremendous potential for realizing benefits arising out of the large number of small, medium enterprises engaged in this area. There's a lot of fragmentation and lack of connectivity amongst these organizations and the elements that could support them. And so there was a need to create an organization, htx.ca, the Health Technology Exchange, to move this agenda forward.
There's a lot of support available for the company who's working with high-tech and innovative technology. One of the greatest benefits of dealing with the HTX is the guidance they can offer, so you can benefit from all the available resources. When we help innovative companies, we help the economy.
I think the issue is one of making investments, not just putting money to something, but investing the money in some significant and meaningful ways. And the important aspect from our point of view is to ensure that people are aware of all of the resources that are available to them in this field. It may be issues of funding, it may be issues relating to tax breaks, it may be connectivity with different components in the chain from an inventions to commercialization, like intellectual property protection, the issues of understanding regulatory rules and regulations and the various bodies that are responsible for them in different jurisdictions. It may be finding a distributor for the particular product. It may be issues relating to export. And in some instances, we get approaches from people abroad who want to settle and set up their operations in Ontario, and we'd like to facilitate those kinds of things. So it's really giving Ontario advantage and looking at the ways in which we can increase the tax base and the employment opportunities.
You may think medical devices fall under the realm of biotech or CAT scan machines, but this term has a variety of apparatus.
Any sort of device that will work in the medical industry, or devices that provide for personal assistance for people, artificial limbs, special access to computers, these would fit into the domain of assistive technologies. Medical devices could be stents that are put into arteries that are blocked, opening them up in an appropriate way, making sure that clotting doesn't reoccur through particular kinds of techniques that are associated with this in certain circumstances. There may be issues like measuring the chemistry that people have at the point of care. A lot of emphasis these days is being put on point of care kinds of things so as to minimize the wait times, minimize the throughput of people and materials in hospitals, and this is a lot of device stuff. There's also a lot of stuff on the e-health front, that is electronics and communications using information technology that will interface with X-ray systems, imaging systems in the hospitals, so as to very quickly move the information, let the experts look at it, provide their diagnostics and this kind of thing with all rapidity.
Medical devices is more than a niche market. There's great potential for new products and ideas, and the HTX sees just how large this market really is.
Well, for one thing, you need to think about the size of the market associated with this. This is a massive market, some tens of billions of dollars worldwide. And we have tremendous capacity in our province to be able to play a role in those markets. We have this particularly through a large cross-section of businesses, and 60% of these businesses in Canada are based in Ontario. So clearly, by giving these small, medium enterprises a leg up in some meaningful way, we can capitalize on that capability.
Big Fish Video Production.